Hey everyone, Xiaomi has officially launched its first Mini LED gaming monitor for global markets, the Mini LED Gaming Monitor G Pro 27i. After briefly appearing on Xiaomi's international website 4 months ago, the G Pro 27i has now become available worldwide. Originally debuting as the Redmi Display G Pro 27 in China earlier this year, this monitor brings high-performance features at an attractive price. The G Pro 27i features a 27-inch IPS panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio and QHD resolution 2560 by 1440 pixels, a sweet spot for gaming monitors that balances sharp visuals with performance. It boasts a refresh rate of 180 Hz, which, combined with AMD FreeSync technology, is developed to eliminate screen tearing and ghosting, providing a smooth and responsive gaming experience. A rapid 1 millisecond GTG response time ensures that fast-paced games feel fluid and precise. What truly sets the G Pro 27i apart is its Mini LED backlighting, a premium feature more often found in high-end displays. The monitor is equipped with 1152 local dimming zones, which allow it to achieve impressive contrast ratios and deeper black levels compared to standard LED monitors. This capability has earned it VISA Display HDR 1000 certification, promising HDR video with brighter highlights and more vivid, lifelike colors. With a peak brightness of 1000 nits, the G Pro 27i provides a dynamic viewing experience for HDR content, whether in gaming or media consumption. Color accuracy is another strong selling point of the G Pro 27i. It comes factory calibrated with a delta E below 2 color deviation, meaning color reproduction is highly accurate right out of the box. In addition, the monitor covers an impressive 100% of the sRGB color space, 99% of DCI-P3, and 97% of Adobe RGB. This broad color gamut coverage makes it an excellent choice not only for gamers, but also for content creators who need precise color representation. In terms of connectivity, the G Pro 27i offers flexibility with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 inputs, accommodating various devices and setups. It also supports 75 by 75 mm VISA mounts, making it easy to mount on monitor arms or walls. The adjustable stand adds to the monitor's versatility, allowing users to find the perfect viewing angle for their gaming or work setup. At a competitive price of $329, the G Pro 27i is now available for purchase from major retailers like Amazon and Walmart. Given the high-end features it offers, such as Mini LED backlighting, a 180 Hz refresh rate, and excellent color accuracy, it presents an attractive option for gamers and professionals alike. The Xiaomi Mini LED Gaming Monitor G Pro 27i is a welcome addition to the growing global market of Mini LED gaming monitors. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, high refresh rate, and superior color performance makes it a top contender for those seeking a high-performance monitor without breaking the bank. For $329, the G Pro 27i offers a tremendous value, especially when compared to similar monitors with Mini LED technology that typically come at much higher price points. Whether you're a competitive gamer or content creator, this monitor is likely to meet your needs with both style and substance. Thanks for watching. I hope you are subscribed to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.